Okay, we are moving right along with this top. I did a little bit of work off camera, just tuning up these edges so that when I brought them together, clamped them, I was happy with the gap there. Just did a little bit extra work on the jointer. In a perfect world, you're never gonna get it off the jointer exactly 100% great. So you typically have to use a hand plane to get it perfect, but this is gonna be good enough for me. I've looked at it, I'm pretty happy with it. And then the clamps can do a fair bit, especially with material that is this small, because it does have some give. So I can use these clamps to re-tight a couple of the small gaps that are happening there. So right now the next step is to mark out where my dowels are gonna go. Once I have that marked out, I'll do all the doweling, and then we will stop and I'll do a new video for the glue up, because there'll be a few extra things to talk about there and I don't want it to run too long. But yeah, basically right now I'm going to decide exactly where this is going to be, where the end cuts are going to be, and then I will lay out some spacing for dowels. Okay, so there we go. We're all dialed in and dry fit. Now, very important that if you're going to do a doweling method like this, you always want to dry fit it. You don't want to jump right into gluing, just in case you accidentally messed up and you did not drill your dowel holes deep enough in the middle of a glue up. That would be the worst possible thing to find out. You're essentially ending your glue up. So always do a quick dry fit. The dowels can be a pain in the butt to take out, but just grab some pliers and do what you can and make sure you don't damage the edge when you're pulling it out. But that's about it. I am going to take this apart off camera, and the next time we get back together, we will be gluing this up. Very excited for the final outcome of this top. Thanks so much for tuning in. See you soon.